I got a song right here. uh, Shout out to Taylor. Shout out to Kendall. She's sick. She wanted to hear me sing. Shout out to all my fam. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody in yellow. And it goes like this. It's by the Temptations, by the way. It's called "Wish It Would Rain." I'm only gonna do the first part. Sunshine, blue skies, please go away. My girl has found another and gone away, yeah. Within my future, my life is filled with gloom. So day after day, I stay locked up in my room. I know to you, this might sound strange, but I wish it would rain. Ooh.